Daad community. Yesterday we discussed what are the challenges of using blockchain in e-commerce, and today I am discussing about integrating the blockchain into your existing e-commerce business can be challenging as it requires technical, regulatory and social considerations. Here are some steps that you can follow to successfully implement blockchain into your e-commerce business. Identify your business problem and goal. Before adopting the blockchain, you need to clarify, define the problem that you want to solve and the goal that you want to achieve with blockchain. For example, do you want to improve your payment system, supply chain management, customer loyalty, or data security? You also need to assess the feasibility and viability of using blockchain for your specific use case and compare it with other existing solutions. Choose the right blockchain platform and framework. Depending on your business problem and goal, you need to select the most suitable blockchain platform and framework that can meet your requirements and expectations. For example, do you need a public, private, or hybrid blockchain? Do you need a permission or permissionless blockchain? Do you need smart contract functionality or not? You also need to consider the scalability, performance, security, and compatibility of blockchain platform and framework that you choose. Design and develop your blockchain solution. Once you have chosen the right blockchain platform and framework, you need to design and develop your blockchain solution according to your business logic and rules. You need to define the data structure, consensus mechanism, network architecture, and user interface of your blockchain solution. You also need to test and debug your blockchain solution to ensure its functionality and quality. Deploy and integrate your blockchain solution. After you have developed your blockchain solution, you need to deploy and integrate it with your existing e-commerce system and infrastructure. You need to ensure that your blockchain solution can communicate and interact with your e-commerce platform, database, payment gateway, and other applications. You also need to monitor and maintain your blockchain solution to ensure its reliability and security. Educate and engage your stakeholders. Finally, you need to educate and engage your stakeholders such as your customers, suppliers, partners, and regulators about your blockchain solution and its benefit. You need to provide them with clear and accurate information, guidance, and support on how to use your blockchain solution. You also need to solicit their feedback and suggestions on how to improve your blockchain solution and its user experiences. There are some of these steps that you can follow to integrate blockchain into your existing e-commerce business. By doing so, you can leverage the advantages of blockchain technology and enhance your e-commerce performance and competitiveness. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy, an e-commerce mastery channel, and ask questions in the comment sections. In the next video, we'll discuss how can blockchain revolutionize the e-commerce. Take care and bye. See you in the next video.